Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can simply embed Lovable.dev web application to WordPress website. So the first thing that you want to do inside your Lovable.dev application is to go ahead and publish your project. So let's go ahead and say that this is my project right here. Now to publish it, it's simply by clicking on the publish button and click on the publish button right here. Now I've already published this website, so I will be able to access it easily, but publishing your website is free, so you can just go ahead and click on the publish button and you should be good to go. Right after that, we then have to copy our URL right here. From there, we then have to navigate through WordPress. Now the next thing that we want to do is to simply head over into pages, click on add page, and from here you then want to simply go ahead and use this specific iframe code right here. Now I suggest navigating through this website, or I'm going to leave it in the description box below. From here you then want to click on the plus icon, click on custom HTML, and then you want to paste the iframe embed code. Now you can edit this the way you want to, but in our case we are going to make it easier by just getting the URL right here, and from there we then have to paste it inside the src line of code. So let's just click on publish, and from there you will be able to simply embed your Lovable.dev application to WordPress right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.